Add a tube from the polygon section. Enter modeler mode. Set edge creases to 0. Rect select the top part. Use the point snap guide to create a slope. Select the bottom part and scale it down. Move the entire object above the ground line. Select all and duplicate. Move it up and scale it down slightly. Repeat the previous action. Add a cube. Scale it down and move it to the top. Select the middle part and rotate 180 degrees along the y-axis. Assign new material to the middle part. Repeat the same action for the top part. Return to scene mode. Set a color for each part. Add a floor to the scene. Scale the floor up and assign a color to it. Select the plant and apply a random clone. Adjust the parameters as needed. Adjust the position of each clone. Append a light from another project. This will save us time on setting up the light. Set the background color. Switch to orthographic mode. And adjust the camera view. Then render. Wait until the noise level comes down. Press pause and save the image. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and wish you a nice day.